Hello and welcome to the morning podcast with Asavari. Here we share all the important details that you need to know before taking a trade. So let's take a quick glance at global market. US stocks suffered their biggest one-day pullback in 3 months on Thursday as traders grew concerned about the number of coronavirus cases increasing in some states that are reopening from the lockdown. Shares that had surged recently on the hopes for smooth reopening of the economy led the declines. Stocks in Asia Pacific dropped in Friday morning trade after an overnight plunge on Wall Street due to fear of second wave of pandemic. The Indian shares are likely to open on lower on Friday as tracking the losses from Asian peers. The trends on SGX Nifty indicate negative opening as the index fell by 298 points. The Nifty futures were trading around 9597 level on Singaporean exchange. Oil prices slid early on Friday, extending heavy overnight losses on surge of US coronavirus cases this week that had raised the prospect of second wave. India has lifted an export ban on the API agent, the anti-material drug touted by US President Donald Trump as a potential game changer in the fight of COVID-19 pandemic. On institutional level, FIIs sold shares worth rupees 805 crore while DIIs sold shares worth rupees 874 crore on June 11. Lastly, let's take a look at few stock specifics. HDFC Limited, the mortgage lender, will raise up to 4,000 crore by issuing bonds on private placement basis. The issue size of the secured redeemable non-convertible debenture is rupees 2,100 crore and will open on June 15, 2020. In Fortis Healthcare, the COVID-19 pandemic has impacted the revenues and profitability of the company, which becomes more evident in April 2020. Wipro company partnered and invested in CloudNox Security to secure multi-cloud and hybrid cloud infrastructure. Lupin company received an approval for its drug formulation USP from US FDA which treats the diseases related to tapeworm. And lastly, the results that we are expecting today are Mahindra and Mahindra, Hindalco Industries, Eicher Motor, Castrol India, Mangalore Chemical and Fertilizers, Goodyear India, TCPL Packaging, Vascon Engineering, etc. among others. Thank you. That's all from my side. I hope you have a safe trading and stay safe. Thank you.